Q&A is an amazing feature that just keeps getting better. This is actually a visualization that you just add to this page. You'll see right here, it's a little question box. I've added a few suggested questions so you can get some interesting insights and kind of learn how to ask questions of your data. So for example, if I were to click on cost per claim by specialty and drug name, where generic name is lisinopril on a matrix, it will run that query against the data model, and you'll see by specialty the different drug names that are branded names for lisinopril and what the cost per claim was for different specialties. It also adds in some nice little data bars so that you get kind of a cue to where you might want to look within the data. And you can also change this question. So for example, after I specify the generic name, I can say and state is Texas, and you'll see it reruns the query and gives you some different results. So it's a very useful way to interact with your data and use natural language in order to get some of the insights that you're looking for. If I go ahead and clear that question, you'll notice that there's also some other examples on here. So show total cost and cost per day by state on a matrix. Let's say I want to reorder those columns by cost per day. I can click on cost per day. And let's try something different. Maybe show cost per day by state. We hit enter. And you get cost per day by state. Notice that I filtered it for just US states because there's a lot of two-digit codes in there that make the map a little bit messy for demonstration purposes. Outside of the continental 48 states plus Alaska and Hawaii. Maybe we want this on a bar chart. Or maybe on a pie chart. So a lot of different things to try out here. There's quite a bit of documentation online if you want to look at some of the other things that you can do with Q&A.